many times do you walk Khaleesi?
Every day. Depends what kind of show we're going to. Did he judge me and Khaleesi?
Not at all. She's being a bit stubborn.
Yeah. She is today. Oh, that one in the sand. And then the sand goes here. And tighten the chain. And then put your fingers over the chain so it doesn't slip.
Come on, Khaleesi. Come on. Come on, Khaleesi. What time are you on?
Very short on. Georgie's.
Immediately following the class here in ring 2, abilities that is judged.
The judge looks for good feet and legs with good dairy strength, good udder promise, stylishness, and a heifer.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we now have the championship. Georgie and Becky competing for the trophy at the Cork Summer Show for the first time. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have a result.